Adjacent to my lifeless frame, when twilight falls and daylight dims, do not candles burn. Expose instead my carcass to the night, and light up 2 or 3 of the billions of the silent stars above. Then let their twinkling light steer me past this tortured path, and guide my weary, wandering soul to the promised land of hope. But should this eclipsed alley be still too dark to tread, I shall ignite in memory the sparkle in your eyes. This beacon from my lifetime, rekindled beyond time, will dance me through this threshold to my treasured sacred home.